Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry launched Teachers Talanoa platform last year in September to serve a professional group of 13,000 teachers. We find that often it's very difficult to communicate with all 13,000 teachers because they are all over the place in different parts of the country, and therefore this Teachers Talanoa platform was the most ideal way of connecting with the teachers. This online platform was created by the Ministry to allow teachers to communicate with one another and with the Ministry. This platform allows teachers to share their ideas, their views, and their vision, which will help Ministry to transform education for the future of our children. We felt that as educators, teachers have a critical role to play in shaping the lives of our children, and therefore they should have a say in what the Ministry does. It is therefore important that teachers get a chance to have their say on the curriculum. They should have their say on the resources that we provide or the changes that are being introduced in the school. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is envisaged that the Teachers Talanoa platform will strengthen our partnership with the teachers. This platform has created a dynamic information ecosystem in which teachers come together to engage in thought-provoking discussions, innovative ideas, best classroom practices, and student behavior after COVID-19 pandemic. This platform was developed in-house by our team in the Ministry using Moodle, which is an open source software and has no licensing cost. The Teachers Talanoa platform is for 3 groups of teachers, that is primary, secondary, and ECE. The reason for setting up separate groups were to facilitate discussions in a more focused manner relevant to the teacher and the team at Ministry that looks after 3 levels of education. Since the inception of Teachers Talanoa platform, the level of engagement from the teachers have increased, which is very encouraging. The Teachers Talanoa platform is set up in such a manner that all heads of section in the Ministry is automatically part of the forum and receive first-hand information on all the discussions that take place. For regular monitoring, the manager e-learning constantly goes through the discussion forum and informs the relevant head of section if any intervention or response is required, including the permanent secretary. Mr. Speaker, sir, examples of some of the discussions that have been going on in the Teachers Talanoa platform are game-based learning, financial management in schools, challenges faced by teachers in remote schools, years 12 and 13 tablets for e-learning, psychosocial imbalance, upgrading teacher qualification, student behavior, teachers' welfare, building better student-teacher relationship, digital learning, and outcome-based curriculum and assessment. Mr. Speaker, sir, it gives us a lot of confidence that our teachers are not only sharing good practices, but they're also engaged in pertinent discussions, such as the future of education in the post-COVID period. Apart from this discussion, Headquarters has also shared information on this platform, such as videos on new classroom practice, curriculum revisions for feedback, learning and development opportunities, school circulars and information, and school plans, including teacher transfer posting to bring spouses together. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Teachers Talanoa platform is set up in such a way that all discussion that takes place on the platform also get emailed to all the teachers, hence they never miss out on the discussions. Teachers can read the discussions at their leisure and then log in to Teachers Talanoa platform to contribute to the discussions if they wish. Mr. Speaker, sir, a very good example that I can share is a recent initiative to expedite teacher transfers to bring spouses closer within the teaching districts so that families are not separated. Through this platform, teachers provided the relevant information which assisted Ministry to handle teacher transfer by using data-driven process. Through this process, the Ministry managed to bring 156 teacher families together, and we continue to bring families together as vacancies arise. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
I thank the Honourable Minister.